Samsung is once again preparing to redefine the future of its flagship smartphones with the highly anticipated Galaxy S26 series. And the latest leaks reveal exciting details about the brand new Galaxy S26 Pro, which is set to replace the standard S26 model, making this year's lineup not just an upgrade, but a complete shakeup in strategy. And according to Tipster Digital Chat Station, the Galaxy S26 Pro, with model number S26 will feature a stunning 6.27-inch display paired with a 4,300 mAh battery, a noticeable improvement compared to Galaxy S25's 4,000 mAh cell, ensuring longer screen-on times and a more reliable all-day performance, especially with Samsung's optimization of its in-house Exynos and Snapdragon processors that will be powering these models. And while the jump from 4,000 mAh to 4,300 mAh may not sound massive on paper, in real-world usage, it will make a significant difference, particularly when combined with better battery management and more efficient chipsets. And it's worth mentioning that this is not the first time we're hearing about this capacity upgrade, which adds even more weight to the credibility of the leak. And beyond the battery life, display size is also crucial because Samsung seems to have found a sweet spot at 6.27 inches, making the S26 Pro slightly more compact than its bigger siblings, yet still offering a premium immersive screen experience with Samsung's latest dynamic AMOLED panel technology, higher brightness, smoother refresh rates, and improved HDR capabilities, making it a dream device for binge watchers, gamers, and everyday users who demand sharp visuals. And what's even more exciting is that rumors suggest Samsung will also introduce a brand new sensor for the S26 Pro's main camera. Though details are still scarce, it's safe to assume that the upgrade will enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and color accuracy, aligning with Samsung's ongoing mission to make their cameras some of the most advanced in the industry. And with AI-powered photography becoming a major focus in recent years, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung integrates even deeper Galaxy AI features into the S26 Pro, offering smarter image recognition, real-time scene enhancements, and even generative photo editing capabilities, similar to what we're seeing on the Pixel lineup. And speaking of lineup, the Galaxy S26 series is rumored to consist of 3 models, including the Galaxy S26 Pro, the Galaxy S26 Edge, which is said to replace the traditional Plus model, and of course the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the ultimate flagship that will likely debut Samsung's most ambitious innovations yet. And what makes the S26 Pro stand out is that it bridges the gap between affordability and premium, offering features close to the Ultra, but at a lower price point, something Samsung fans have been asking for. And given Samsung's track record, we can expect sleek, refined designs with thinner bezels, new color options, and possibly even more durable glass and frame materials to make sure these devices are not only beautiful, but also resilient. And when we talk about performance, Samsung is reportedly optimizing the S26 series for both Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 and Exynos 2500, depending on the region, which means you can expect blazing fast processing power, smoother multitasking, and incredible gaming performance, all while consuming less energy to complement that 4,300 mAh battery upgrade. And connectivity will also likely take a leap forward with Wi-Fi 7, improved 5G modems, and possibly even satellite communication support for emergency situations, keeping up with the industry trend. And the real question now is how Samsung will price the S26 Pro compared to its predecessor, because while it's clear the brand is refining the product strategy by replacing the vanilla model with the Pro, fans will be curious to see if the pricing stays competitive, especially against strong rivals like Apple's iPhone 16 series and Google's Pixel 10 lineup, both of which are expected to push boundaries in battery life, AI features, and camera performance. And with Samsung usually unveiling its Galaxy S series in early February, leaks are only going to intensify in the coming months, building massive hype for the Galaxy S26 series launch event. And one thing is certain, Samsung is not holding back. Whether it's the Pro, the Edge, or the Ultra, each model will play a specific role in targeting different segments of users. But the S26 Pro is shaping up to be the perfect balance of compactness, performance, and long-lasting battery life, making it one of the most exciting devices to watch out for in 2025. So stay tuned, because we'll continue tracking all leaks, rumors, and confirmations leading up to the official launch. And once the Galaxy S26 Pro finally arrives, It may very well redefine what we expect from a mid-tier flagship, giving you more power, more innovation, and more reasons to upgrade. And that's the latest update on Samsung's Galaxy S26 Pro, its display and battery capacity leaks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on smartphones, gadgets, and tech innovations, because this is TechVerse.